You're going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Cobalt. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.